Hi guys. So a lady was narrating how she went to a counselor at a point and was complaining about her husband not touching her. And then the counselor was giving her tips to make sure to make the husband touch her, basically telling her to wear sexy lingerie and all that. But then it dawned on me, what if the wife wasn't the problem? What if it was the man? On the internet, you see people talking about women should do this, women should do this, women should do this, women should do that to, satisfy their men. But then there are very few tips for men on how to satisfy their women. And I've noticed also that some of these men find it difficult to, find, not that they don't find their women attractive, but then because they have a lot of things bottled up in them, they are unable to express it to their wives because their wife will feel they are weak. So, dear men, if you're in these shoes and you find it difficult to touch your wife because you have a lot of things bottled up in your head, learn to speak with your wives when you have issues, regardless of how they're going to feel about you. Either you're a weak man or you're a strong man. Be a king.